In this video, I'm going to be telling you 3 things you need to do in order for you to make $1,000 as a service provider. Even though you are a newbie or you're just starting out, okay, and you have no audience, relax, I'm going to tell you that if you're new or this is the first time visiting my channel, please click on the subscribe button below to subscribe to this channel and then turn on post notification. Okay, so thank you so much for that. So yeah, let's dive into it. My name is Felix Onheri. I am a new media consultant. So one of the challenges service provider experience when starting up their business is how to get clients on Instagram or whatever platform they are using, and that is what I'm going to be telling you how to do that. So the first thing you need to do is you need to work for free. You need to give your service for free. Okay, so reach out to 3 to 4 persons or 3 to 5 persons in your niche or the people you want to work with and tell them that, hey, this is what I do. I'm going to be doing this for free, and in exchange I need a testimonial from you, or in exchange I need you to help me post it on your platform. Okay, so people will likely give you that opportunity to do that. So once they give you a testimonial, you can use that testimonial to go into the second one. Second one is to run targeted ads. You need to master the art of advertising. You need to create a good marketing strategy and a good marketing campaign. So run ads and target people who look like your ideal customer and tell them that I've worked with 3 to 5 persons and these are the testimonial. They are so proud of what I have done for them so far. So why not give us a try? Why not come work with us? This will help them want to work with you. Someone just sent me a message on Throne Digital and say, hey, do you need a social media management? We're going to give you 14 days free trial. All we need in exchange is your testimonial, okay, and then tell people on your platform that if you want a social media manager, meet them. So that's what you can literally do. Then the third thing you want to do is collaboration. Collaborate with people in your industry, people in your niche, and other creators, like you do a live video with them. So these are the 3 key points you need to use as a newbie in order for you to make $1,000 in 30 days or less. If you follow this strategy and you have an effective marketing campaign, you can be able to hit that figure. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please click on the subscribe button below to subscribe to this channel, share to your friends, and then turn on post notification. Thank you.